you hear what I said? Ugo, did you hear what I said? Did I say take it to the lowest? Do you remember when I said that? Ugo, do you remember when I said you should take this thing to the lowest? Do you remember when I said that?
Is this okay?
Is that the lowest? Is that the lowest? I don't understand what you are doing. You need to explain every step you are taking. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No.
You don't understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
So you're not ready for this class. When you're ready, let me know. I'm ending it now.
I am Mr. Charles. I
Yeah,
am.
I'm saying
Sorry, Mr. Charles.
yeah,
Mr. Charles.
then delete
Mr. Charles,
from the beginning.
sorry.
I need it. If I was teaching you like this, do you think you will understand it?
Mm. 2 minutes equals to 120 seconds. Twenty seconds.
Yeah,
Then 6
100
more minutes
seconds.
is 60 seconds.
Okay.
We do 120 plus 60. And that will be and that will give you and that will give you 180. Then do 180. And since you know that half of a minute, then half of a minute is is equal to 30 seconds. We now do 30 plus 180, which should be
which is equal to what?
200 and
So 10
210.
seconds. Okay, so number one, your voice level is low. I was barely hearing you. Then number two, was this the method? Was this how I taught you? Was this the method I taught you?
No, it was me who did it on my own.
You did this one on your own. So
Yeah.
you don't
You said I
you,
can use this method or another one.
now let me explain something. Let me explain
50
why
times 3,
method is
then,
some is a bit
then
slow.
that's
But one, if you from the beginning you know that you are dealing with 3.5 minutes. So instead of breaking 3 minutes into 2 minutes plus 1 minute plus half, why not just break it down into three plus half? You save yourself time. The 3 minutes, you just know, okay, 3 minutes times 3 times 60 will give me 180 straight. You don't need to do that 120 plus 60 equals 180. You would have just gotten 180 straight from 3 times 60. Then you can now do your half of a minute is 30 seconds. Then now 180 plus 30, 210. You would have finished this thing earlier. Now let me say something, and this is something that you see that your during classes is being emphasized. Are you listening? Don't erase it. I'm just telling you.
yeah,
So next time that's the method you will use. Don't erase it. We are going to number two now. Don't start from the beginning again. Now, what I wanted to say is this: time is very, very important in this exam. Time will be. You will notice that the time that they give you for, especially math, it will never be enough. And you know, in school, you will be telling your teacher to give you extra time in an exam. When you run out of time in an exam, in this case, it's not going to be so. Nobody is going to give you extra time. You understand what I'm trying to say?
yeah,
So you, in any question, you look for the fastest means of getting to the answer, the fastest and correct means of getting to the answer. Now take that, reduce that thing back to the lowest and go and do number two. Now do it in such a way that you don't mix up things though. Because it looks like your number one is already occupying a lot of space. Yeah, you're zooming in too
right
much
with
now.
figure.
And this one, did we need to write anything? I don't think we needed to write anything. 12,702. I
I
think you
didn't
just told
even
me, you
write
just said
any.
it. You didn't
I
write it.
didn't
I
even
didn't
write
write.
anything
We didn't write anything. So just
for
tell,
number
tell
one.
this for for
We just put
for.
the answer straight for
Did,
number one.
or did I explain it? Did you hear me when I explained it?
You only explained this,
I
and plus
explained.
you didn't even write anything on it.
So you
You
don't
just
uh,
explained it.
sometimes sometimes. You don't need to wait till you're told. Write down. They're almost 10. Sometimes you should just know, oh, this thing that the teacher said is important. Let me note it down. You don't need to wait. Ugo, bring out your book and your paper and write down. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Go to number 3. If you have gotten the answer for number 2 quickly. Go to number 3.
The answer is C.
See, 30,385. Number 4.
I don't have enough space.
You can scroll down now. You have space to make use of the space. You can still, that thing can still be extended in different directions. That space that you have, that rectangle, it can be extended in different directions.
My extended. Okay.
Do you need space up or down? I think it's down that you should be pulling, not up. Not up you should be pulling. It's down the down one that you should be pulling. This zoom is too much. Zoom out and go to number 4. You are spending time zooming, you are wasting time, and we need to move.
Is there anywhere to type?
There's text now. There's that A there is the text. What are you typing?
I want to type instead of write.
Does number 4 require typing? Hmm?
Calculation. I want to type for the calculation. I want to type for the calculation.
The 2 is too big now.
I want you to see it. Three.
You've not read number 4.
One,
I don't
two.
know what question you are doing. Which question are you doing now? Show me the question. I don't know which question.
How many? Find the square root of 3 over 3,
Yeah.
6 over 25.
Okay, okay, alright, I finished. Okay, so go ahead, explain what you're doing.
6 over 25. 3,
Mm-hmm.
6 over 25. If you want to get the improper fraction, if you want to get the improper fraction,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead now, go ahead. I've heard what you said. That one, you don't need to type that one now. Just say it, I will understand.
To get improper you do 3, you do 25 times 3 plus 6, which will give you two. It's hard to write. I wish I had a pen.
No problem, no problem. So
I'm
just
using my
explain.
trackpad.
I understand. I understand. So now, just tell me, say say what you are doing, what you want to, what you would have written. So
Then
you are
you now
saying,
find square root of 3, 6 over 25, which equals to square root of 81, which is the same as square root of 81 over 25. Then you now break them into half. Square root of 81 over the square root of 25, which is 9 over 5. Because what number goes twice? What number can you times twice to go in 81, which is 9? You now do equals to 9. Then now, how many one number together goes into 25? 5. 9 over 5. Then you now, then to get your answer, you did, wait,
oh,
you, then to get your answer, like I forgot how you got the 4. 1 4 over 5 for the answer. I forgot how you got the 4.
the remainder now. 5 into 5
Oh
goes into
yes.
9.
Then you now the 5 goes. Then now the 5 goes into 9. One time you now put 1, and the remainder is 4 over 5.
That's it. Okay, so
Which is your answer.
what's the answer there?
Which is B.
B. Okay, so can go on to the
Roller
next.
deposits. Simple. Simple. Blah, 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 blah. Number 5. Do I need to write it down, or I can just talk, say how to get it?
Which one?
Or number 5, because if I have to
Uh,
write it down, I have to use my trackpad.
Read the question first. Let's hear it.
Bola deposits 5,000 naira in a savings bank account. If she is paid an interest rate of 5% annum for 2 years, how much is the simple interest?
How much is the simple?
Please, can I say it instead of writing it down on Microsoft Page? Because it hurts my hand when I'm
When
using
you
my
were
trackpad.
seeing me writing it, you thought that it was easy, right?
You were using your mouse.
The same thing, no. It's not. It's the
I'm
same.
using my
It's the same.
trackpad.
It's the same track using. That's what I'm telling you. It's the same trackpad.
How?
It's exactly the same
How?
thing. Yes. I was not using any mouse separate. I was not a mouse. The trackpad I was using.
I need a pen, a light pen, so I
You
can
can do.
write on this laptop. What do you say?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
So
Open
I can
your
talk.
book. No, just listen. You will talk, but so go ahead and explain the working. Yes,
To
go ahead.
explain the working in my book, I should explain it with my mouth.
Explain it now to me. Don't look at your book.
So I don't
You
need to
understand what I'm
write it.
you can what you can do right now, you can open the back of your book. Don't go to the place where you copied it inside. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Go to a fresh page, go to the back of your book, or use a raw paper, something different from where you copied the notes when we were in class, so that this is like you doing it again after that day. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So I should just write it down at the back of my book.
Yes.
Oh. So
You
P
need to the formulas that you're doing. So you write it down. As you're writing it to explain it, you're
P
telling me
equals 5,000. C equals 2 years. R equals 5%. So to find the interest, you do P times T times R, which is also 5,000 times 2 times 5.
that's
Um,
fine. So there's something now, correct, but there's something that which I want you to get used to. When you're stating a formula, always start with the left hand side of the equality sign. So that means you should say, instead of saying you do P times C times R over 100,
no, I
each
did.
time
Wait. I said,
you write.
Wait, oh, sorry. Miss that child I from cutting how we gotten the answer.
I equals P times T
P
times
times
R
T times
over
R or I equals 5,000 times 2 times 5
over 100. Now you forgot to the 100.
over 100. So
Uh-huh.
5,000 times 2.
Is that what we did? You cancel the zeros first. You cancel
Also,
the zeros up.
oh yeah.
We cancel now. That's what we did.
Then 2 times 5. Sorry,
Was it 2 times
50 times 5. 50 times 5, which is 100. Then
50 times
100. 50
50 times
times 2. 50 times 2, which is 100. Then 100 times 5, which is 500.
So
So
what is the answer?
I equals 500 naira.
Okay. So what is the which option lines I agree with that?
Let's go on.
That would be E, right?
E. Yep.
Okay. So are we number 6 now?
We're number 6. Hoo-wee. Yes, I'm coming. Please, I need
Okay.
to use the restroom.
Hmm.
I can hear you if you want to talk.
I, I hope it's not the big job you want to do.
No.
And you have in 1 minute to do that. You may go. 1 minute.
I'm back.
All right.
Do we need to do walking for number 6?
Working for number 6. Yes, now. And do it in your book. And as you're writing it down, you're explaining what you're writing to me.
We all know that a day is we all know that
A
a
day,
day is 24 hours. So just do 24 hours times 4.
that, okay, okay.
A
What
day
next?
I'm writing it down. And 24 times 4 is 96. So that means if you want to get the total, wait, can't be 96. Yes, 96. So that means if you want to get a full 4 days equals 96, but since you are getting 4 days and a half, you now do what plus what or what time what plus what or what times 2 equals gives you 12, and 2 times 12 equals, or 12 times 2 equals 24, and 12 plus 12 equals 24. So you now do 96 plus 12, which is,
Why did you say what to give you 24?
eh?
Why did it what plus what to give you 24?
What plus what or what times 2?
Why did you say that?
What
Is it
plus
because of
what together?
is it because of the 4.5? That's how you would have said it now. Like it's because of that half that you are saying half of a day
No,
is 24.
I said if you are finding a full day, if you really wanted to know what a full 4 days is, 90 it is 96 hours. But I said since we are finding 4 days and a half, we'll have to know what plus what or what times 2 equals 24.
And that's 12.
Then you now do 96 plus 12, which is 108, and your answer is E.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, Mr. Child, I don't think we did any we did it. I don't think we wrote about this. We wrote any
For which
calculation about this for number 7.
we did now, you have forgotten.
We didn't write any calculation because if we did, I don't think I wrote it.
You don't think you wrote it. That's a better way to say it. But it doesn't mean that we did not do it. I could have written it down. Then maybe you forgot to write it. That's what happened.
To tell you not
So,
to write it.
uh but then does it mean that you don't know it? Give it a try.
Okay, okay, okay. So number 7. What Igbo bought 5 books and 5 books at 40 naira each and sold them for 150 naira. What is the loss? So cost price equals 40 naira. Selling price.
14 naira.
Oh,
It was
now okay. Times. Because I knew I was getting suspicious because I'm like, eh? Cause did I do it? I know it was 40 naira times something. 40
No, it's
naira
not just
times
the question
5.
said 40 naira each.
I
You
know,
don't know
that's
what it
why I said that. Yeah, I know. I was like, each? I'm like, I forgot about the each. I'm like, that's something is not right too. Maybe I didn't do this well. Then I now forgot. Then I now remembered. Oh yeah, it's because of the each. Then now selling price equals 150 naira.
is.
Cost price is actually 90. It can't be 90. But 5 books are 40 naira. 40 times 5 is 90. I'm missing something.
3 times 5.
Hmm.
40 times 5.
Yes. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 9.
5 times 4.
Is 9. Ah. 5 times 4 is 20. Sorry, I meant 20. So the answer is 200. So cost price is actually 200 naira. Then you now do loss. Then which one is bigger? Cost price. And since cost price is bigger, you now do loss equals cost price minus selling price. Loss equals 200 naira minus 150 naira. And that is naira. And that is 50 naira. Loss equals to 50 naira. Is there 50 naira there? Yes, there is. So the answer is A. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
Charizard.
So answer is 8. That's 50 naira. You say A? Eh?
A. I said I said A. I said
Scroll up.
I have.
Can you? This is number 8 now. Is it number 8 that we're doing?
Yes, we just finished number 7.
Go ahead to number 8.
Aren't you paying attention?
Go ahead to number 8.
Body.
I can see it now. Why is it zooming in again?
So I don't bought a pair of shoes for 5,000 naira and sold it for 4,000 naira. What is its percentage loss? Cost price equals 5,000 naira. Selling price equals 4,000 naira. So loss is cost price minus selling price. Loss is 5,000 minus 4,000, which is 1,000. Then percentage loss equals loss
What's the common loss?
over cost price times 100 over 1. Then now remove the zeros. Wait,
Yeah.
then that is 1,000 over 5,000. Then I'll cross out the zeros, and then 5 goes into 100. 5 goes into 5 goes into 100 20 times. So percentage loss equals equals 20% or 20. So the answer is B.
Okay. Okay. Wait, okay, that's nice. The next one.
Number 9. Pretty much like ratio. Yep, because it is. Find the, in a class there are 30 girls and 45 boys. Find the ratio of girls and boys. Okay.
Well,
In a
so
class
did you
there are
say
30 girls.
you
Find the
read it
ratio
wrong?
of girls to boys.
Mhm.
Girls, there are 30 girls in a class and 45 boys in that same class. We can otherwise call them G ratio B.
All right. So how are you going to go about? Hmm?
Um,
Do you remember what I said that ratio is like in mathematics? Which mathematical operator is ratio like?
how did you answer?
I'm waiting to go.
Sorry, I still think. Hi. Then now 30 ratio 45 and
So I ask you a question, you just not do.
6 ratio 9. 2 ratio 3. If we reduce it again, it will be 1 ratio 1. So therefore, so therefore, the answer, drum roll, please, B. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening to you. You not answer my question. I asked you a question.
What?
You just as if you didn't hear me.
I didn't hear you.
I said which style operator is likened to ratio? That colon.
Which what?
Mathematical operator is likened to ratio.
The division.
So you can't answer that question.
Said division.
That's your final answer.
Yes.
Now just be honest with me. You go and start looking at where you solve this in your book.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
So you see, this is the reason why I said you should take your time and study. Just imagine the whole of yesterday. Eh? I expected that today you will come to class confidently that I've done what I promised to myself. I've studied this thing very well, in and out, taking time, understood it. Eh? Only for you to come today to tell me that you've not done it, not done any of this thing. So this thing, you can see that this thing is very simple. It's just all about practice.
Oh, how?
We can stop at number 10 for today's class. Go to the next one.
Okay. 1/1 fourth of a number is 5. Find the
Mm-hmm.
number. You can also say it's like 1/4 of of
What?
of n is
Mm-hmm.
5.
Mm-hmm. And what did I say? It's in mathematics.
Of equals times and is equals
Equals, right?
to. Yes.
Okay. So 1/4 what's next?
1
What
over
happens?
4 times n over 1. I think it was here you told me it wasn't cross multiplying.
Yes, but you've not
So,
gotten to that point yet now. You did
yeah.
1 over
So,
and 10 over 1. So what did you now?
then n times 1, which is n, and 4 times 1, which is 4, which is n over 4.
Hmm, that's on the left hand side of the equals to.
Left
The
hand,
right hand
yes,
side equals 5, isn't it?
equals 5.
Okay. Okay. So what do you have next? What's the next step?
4 n over 4. 1 4 cancel another 4 equals
What did you not say anything? How did you get another 4? You were supposed to tell me what did you do to both sides? Hmm?
um,
Forgotten. Multiply both sides by 4 because you are trying to find n. And the only way you can find n is to make it to stand alone by multiplying both sides
multiply
by 1.
both sides by 4.
And
N
why is it
over
4? Why
4
multiply it by another number? Can you tell me why? Why didn't we multiply it by another number?
because they didn't say any other number, they just said 4.
Who said there's 5 on the other side? Why didn't you say multiply both sides by 5?
Because the 5 wasn't added into the 1 over 4 fraction.
Because the 5 is not the denominator of n over 4. That is the reason why you didn't say
Yes,
multiply both sides by 5. Do you get it now? So it is what it is
yes. And
denominator.
that equals 5 over 4.
Huh? That equals what?
Wait,
It says multiply both sides by 4. You now said this tells you that
4.
5 over 4. You get 5 over 4.
So that and that is 8. Sorry, 16.
What are you saying? N over 4. The left hand side is n over 4 times 4, isn't it?
N over 4 times 4, yes.
Uh-huh. Is the 4 multiplying the top or multiplying the one under?
Multiplying the one under.
No, it's not multiplying the one under. It's on top. That is why it will cancel itself out. Do you get it now?
Yes.
Now, if
Then
you
on the
multiply
right hand side, hmm,
5 times 4 is what?
huh? On
5
the
times
right
4 is what?
hand side is 5 times 4, and that is 20, and that's how you get x.
X or N.
N, sorry.
You have a lot of work to do. You need to go back and look at this thing again. You are saying it, but you are not saying you are not confident. Look at this one. You almost messed it up. Okay. So again now, you have our next class is on Saturday. So
Um,
you
I'm not
start
sure because I'm
huh?
fortunate David I'm going to school on Saturday.
They are going back that Saturday.
Yes.
So okay, that means our it's only it's on Sunday that we have the class now.
Sunday, okay.
Sunday, it's okay, no, no, okay. Can we have the class tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Huh? Tomorrow is
The
Friday,
class
yeah.
of Saturday tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So
At what
before we
time?
go,
Aren't you going to
uh,
work?
I'll go. It's going to be um. Let's do 5 o'clock.
In the morning.
No,
PM.
sorry.
5 p.m. in the
Yeah,
evening.
PM, 6 p.m. Please. Sorry, not 5, 6.
Okay.
So
Mm.
um, before you go, can you see that place? Can you see that place at the lower left or where your battery indicator is beside the
Where my
microphone?
battery? Oh yes, yes, it's low.
Now,
So
now go to
after
the
this
left
class,
hand
I'll
side.
charge.
Go to the left hand side. Left. That's your left hand side. That's your right hand side. Left.
Oh here,
After,
here.
no, 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 no. Go back to that battery indicator side. Don't go too far from ahead.
Uh-huh.
After the battery indicator, you have the microphone, isn't it?
Yes.
After the microphone, what's that? What's the next thing there?
Your device needs to restart. Install update.
So,
Select a time to restart.
uh, oh yeah, so you when this class is over, that's what you're going to do. Click on it so that the thing can start. You can
I just clicked on it. I just clicked
have you
on it.
have you clicked on start?
Yes.
You have clicked on restart. No, you've not
I
clicked on
clicked here.
restart. So
Restart
if you
now.
click, you're going to leave. You're going to leave the class. So you agree by it that you will meet by 6, isn't it?
Yep.
It's before that 6 o'clock today to review some of the questions. Mm? Then
The questions I didn't
tomorrow,
understand.
yes, and then you do some others. So tomorrow we're going to continue from number 10. Do you get?
No, from number 11 to 20.
Um, yes. So keep working on it like that. So go and prepare very well.
Then from
Mhm.
21 to 30, and from 31 to 40, then we now start basic science.
So by tomorrow, I need you to teach it as if you are the teacher confidently. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Okay, so tomorrow we'll review some questions. Or
Definitely.
tomorrow I should just,
Today, what I'm saying is that today you start working, going through them. You learn them. You go back and learn
the
them very
questions
well.
I don't understand, right?
No, the one together.
All of them are the questions I just don't understand.
Are there any ones that you don't understand? I've taught you all of them.
Or the one that somehow a little bit not clear.
Is there anyone that is not clear that I explained to you? Any I taught you, did I
Not
not ask
that
you? Do you
clear.
understand?
I asked yes, because then it was still fresh in my mind.
That's the reason why you need to review it. You go back to look at what you wrote down. you ask yourself questions. Why is this thing like this? Then you now remember, oh, Mr. Charles said this, Mr. Charles said that. And I told you, if you find anyone that, just like you said, it's no more fresh in your mind, forgotten how you can ask me those ones now or do on WhatsApp. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
So have day again to work on it and then tomorrow to continue. Don't rush it because you are not going to the one that you're not going to school. So you have enough time. Don't gotta be watching TV. Gotta be playing computer games. And I've told your mom to buy
Pizza.
no, it's not pizza.
She said
The name of the book that you guys use for fast questions for national common exams. Do you know the name of the book?
Ugoshugo.
Uh-huh. So
We
I've
have
told
it
her to
at
buy it.
home.
But you have it.
Yes.
Uh-huh. How did you
I
tell me
like
that
the
you don't?
questions here. I
How did you
forgot we
tell me that?
didn't.
Uh-huh. Well, I told you the first class before our first class. I asked you, "Go, do you have fast question?"
I forgot we had this.
Okay, okay,
It
all
was
right.
David
So
that reminded me. But I was like, I'm very comfortable with this one. We have vocational English and mathematics.
you don't have math. Okay, you have mathematics. Okay, good. So we'll do that. By the time we finish this particular one, you will now start with those ones.
Then we now start with English or vocational.
We'll do math. Maybe we'll do a mix of those ones. We'll do, but mostly, I think you have more challenge with math
Wait,
and science.
yeah, that's true.
You have more challenge with math and science.
Apparently,
So
apparently,
we're going
apparently,
to those
apparently,
ones.
apparently, apparently. Did it rain yesterday at your side?
Yes, it is.
Heavy?
Yes, heavy.
Was there any thunder? No, right?
There was.
Very so, but it wasn't that frequent.
It wasn't that.
Same for us. We only had like 4 or 5 or 6. But there's once I just had one, and plus it didn't even rain. Wait, Mr. Charles, when it was when we knew it was going to rain because this it was immediately the cloud got over our house. It was pitch dark. It was dark,
Mm-hmm.
but
I
not
noticed,
pitch dark.
noticed it was that. Doesn't fit that, but it was that.
And my friend was saying that there's wind um on one day. He said that that day in the night there's going to be wind. I'm like, eh? Are you saying so? This today there wasn't wind? Cause
Mm-hmm.
the trees near my estate were going crazy.
Mm-hmm. Uh,
I was hearing like wind sounds. I was hearing it.
uh, okay. Mm. So we have a anyway, thank God it did not spoil many things. Grateful to God for that.
No.
Okay, so don't forget to restart your system now. Click on restart now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah, bye.